As a language model, I can provide guidance and answer questions for graphics designers in various areas. Here are some ways I can assist. Design principles. I can offer guidance on fundamental design principles such as color theory, typography, layout composition, balance, and visual hierarchy. Software and tools. I can provide tips, tricks, and explanations related to graphic design software like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, or other popular design tools. Design process. I can assist in brainstorming ideas, developing concepts, creating mood boards, and refining designs. I can also provide guidance on the overall design process, from initial sketches to final production. Feel free to ask specific questions about design techniques, software usage, design challenges, or seek general advice related to your graphic design projects. However, please note that as an AI language model, I don't have visual capabilities, so I won't be able to directly view or analyze your designs. Thank you.